Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. In this edition, we're talking about the guardianship of an adult person who is incapacitated. So there's two types where someone titled 30 DDDD, someone who is developmentally disabled, and then the other type generally is where someone is incapacitated due to medical issues, age, etc. So the guardianship of the person allows a legal guardian, once they're legally receive a judgment from the judge, to make medical, legal decisions and arrangements for the incapacitated person. And also, most people seek guardianship of the property, where the guardian has a legal right to make financial arrangements and decisions of the incapacitated person. So usually it is both. The filing, well, there's you need to follow the court forms that are set forth by the Supreme Court's committee. And also, as of May 15, 2021, the Supreme Court added a new policy of background searches for any proposed guardian except parent, spouse, and certain other entities appointed as limited guardians of the person. Performing a background check. Well, these kind of background checks, the court gets information to make a decision whether or not the person should be appointed as the guardian. The court recognizes that persons can make mistakes and be subject to undue influence outside their control. It doesn't disqualify someone, but the court wants to be sure that the person that's seeking guardianship should be the right person. So there's what's called the complaint, order shall cause. Some other papers, the Superior Court judge will appoint typically either an attorney to be the temporary attorney for the person. In some cases where someone doesn't have family, they also appoint a temporary guardian for the person. Both the temporary guardian and the temporary attorney need to interview the person and prepare a report to the court and other involved persons. If there's no opposition, the court deems it right, the judge will issue what's called a judgment for guardianship. The people that are the temporary attorneys, temporary guardians, are usually paid a fee out of the person's funds. If the hospital is moved for the guardianship, the court typically requires the hospital pay for the guardianship. For more information on guardianship, visit website njlaws.com. And for representation in guardianship cases, call Ken Vercammen's office at 732-572-0500. Thank you.